Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It all depends on your time zone. This is morning exposition 49, and your original pilot is still Emmanuel Remigius. Please, anywhere that you are around the world listening to this very morning exposition, I wish you to share, hit the like button, and invite your friends. Please, this is please to everyone. Nkịta na-akpa nri, anya uhie ehiekwana. Please, we must pay attention to our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We must continue to tweet. We must also continue to tweet about him. We must continue to tweet about him. And we must let the world know what he is facing. For whatever he is facing, we are also facing it. It is because of us that he is there. Remember, he said, he will never disappoint us. Rather, you will disappoint him. After Finland Convention, many of the people are not tweeting about our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Many of us are not tweeting about him. I just remembered that people are not even following suit because I tweet not regularly, but there is a need for regular campaign about our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Whatever power tussle that you are supporting or whatever thing that you are supporting, don't fail to set your eyes on the goal. The goal is number one, make sure that the Zeus kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is useless to them. Make sure that we continue campaign about our great leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have seen some of the, like last time, Kanu them, updated that some families are thanking God for the release of their son. I watched very closely. From that day till now, have you seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Have you seen any jubilation anywhere? That is to tell you that that family is in for a very big game. They are using them to spoil the status quo. I equally watched the program of Omoyele Sowore, who said he went to a meeting where they talked about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release before election, and southeastern criminals in the former contraption called Nigeria, now Biafra territory, now Biafra, said that his release will jeopardize the election. These are the same people who comes to internet telling you, that they call meeting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's release. They never told you what they are doing behind closed door. These are the people Shina Samoshi told you that without these people, Biafra will not come. These are the people that they forced Ejimako, never you forget. Ejimako said, and I quote, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ordered him, even though when he was reading the communique, but due to what? This family came Hanaba. When Ojukwu came, we don't know their family. When Owazirike came, nobody knows his family. But when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu came, everybody, they want to play family game. Our people. They went to Eastern governors then, in the formal contraption called Nigeria, told them, give me money. Give me money. Let us cover you. They gave them money. They wrote a communique and said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that nobody should talk against the politicians anymore. The same politicians who wanted to buy Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And the wife was snapping pictures with them. The wife was saying, everybody should obey. I want all of you to know that the family is a sellout, in totality, from Uche Mabingo to Kanu down to the rest. They are sellouts. And that is the reason why we are the only family Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have. And that is the reason why you must continue to alert the world. Freedom is not given but taken. Should the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu consistently be seized for 4 years, it brings an important question, an important action to take that freedom. Because it is not given but taken. The Eastern criminals in the formal contraption called Nigeria, the occupying forces of Nigeria, have for long lied that they are fighting for you. Go and look at what they are doing in the Biafra land today. Killing and pillaging innocent people, committing what is called genocide, what is called war crime. That is what they are committing over there. Seizing women and children. All these atrocities, you cannot not see it in any platform, because if you are in the DOS camp, immediately you post it, they will sanction you. They are going to sack you for disobeying them, because they are Nigerian government media warriors. They are part and parcel of Nigerian government media warriors. Immediately you post the atrocities that the Nigerian occupying forces are doing in Biafra territory, they will call you. I had a confession of someone who told me that one of the reasons why they added him to the sack is because he talked about the crime and the atrocities, kidnapping of our people, sacking of villages, burning of our villages. Go to this night, it is happening. You know, they are telling you that it was our people that we are burning villages. Go and ask them, these our villages that you are burning now, what does that do to you? These our villages that you are bombing now, what does that occur to you? Some of you normally forget very easily. They change your mind to the mindset that, oh, we are the problem here. Now go and ask them. Those whom they are kidnapping every day, torturing them, enforcing them to disappear. When they kidnap you, they tell you that you will bring 200,000, 500,000. In that contraption, how many people have 50,000? How many people have 5,000 being saved in their house? People are living from hand to mouth. But once they kidnap you and look at you, your body is okay. Dika, my body is okay. Na hama na go na mempa. No, you are ego. Offer obere mmeme bambiala. That if your body is okay, just like my own now, they tell you, oh, your people will bring 500,000. Or else they will sell the kidney of your loved one. Is that the country that you want to be in? Is that the country that you want to be in? Is that what you want to do for yourself? People must discern or design what they want. I am a man of religious place. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth and the undiluted fact. I am not a saint, but I decide to stand on the truth. The propaganda that is going on now must never deter you from the main goal. You must post about Prime Minister, tag the Finnish authorities. They should know the atrocities that the occupying forces of Nigeria is doing in Biafra. Tag every world leader, let them know. And the Finnish authorities must release our Prime Minister. He is the savior of the Biafra people. Lastly, but not the least, I thank the men on the ground for standing gallantly. And I equally say there are people who join this very struggle that they want to make money. If you are on the ground, you want to make money, You know those who are dying in this very struggle. But your thing is you want to make money. You want to be like Asari Dokuba. You want to be like Wazirike. Clap for yourself. Well done. Well done. Ntime Juna. Ntime Juna front and back in some of the activities going on. But that one, I don't talk about security of the land. But I would have to say, anybody doing anything, please let us do it to safeguard our land. Those on the ground is the one that I'm saying. Let us continue to safeguard the land, please, and to liberate ourselves. It will be an honor that you live for the rest of your life. You will be known for how you stood gallantly to liberate the people of Biafra. You would be remembered, you would be known. Let us stand very gallantly to defend our land. Long live the indigenous people of Biafra. Long live the Biafra government. Long live the good Biafrans who are standing on the side of truth. Because I hear go to Ezioku Egote. From me from here, from the temple of the Gracia, Emmanuel Remijusi, the original pilot, the original pilot. On a good morning from here.